famous cyber Amos. All things dead.
Alright, so here's how to install MangoHud in Linux Mint. But first, we need to know how to install Steam and Heroic. So first, we go into Software Manager, type in Heroic, and now install from the store. Install it flatpak. Once you're done, go into Steam website, install Steam like this, like how you normally do on Windows, and then open it and install it like this. Yours should be installed because I already installed, so it is reinstalled. So once you're done, go in Start menu, turn on Steam, and it will ask you to enter to install something for it to run. So once you've installed it, press enter and it will go on with the process. If it fails, means that you are still upgrading your OS. That means you're updating your system. So you need to finish it, then only you can start installing Steam's update. So once you're done, go into MangoHud by going into the Start menu, Software Manager, and open MangoHud. Once you're in, install, and that's it. Very simple. Linux Mint is the most simplest thing ever to install. You also try Synaptic to install also. This is another store, allows you to install without typing in the terminal sudo apt install. So over here you can see MangoHud. When you search for it, it's already installed, which is great, meaning that the store and this Synaptic store are the same. So once you're done, go in and put in this code, then select 5 for the latest update. You can see the latest update there, the version. So once you select 5, then you press Y to start installing. Once it's done, you're done. Okay, so now we can do a test on this by going into Heroic, go into the settings and turn on MangoHud. Then you can play the game. So now you can see the MangoHud is working on control in the Heroic. Heroic is used for Epic Store. If you want Epic Store, use Heroic. It is more stable than others like Lutris. It is more stable from my testing. So as you can see, control is working fine. Right, in order to default MangoHud to turn on every game, go to the settings here, go to game defaults, go to other tab, and you can turn on MangoHud. So now all the games, when you open it, MangoHud will start. Now if you want to go to Steam and put on MangoHud, you gotta go to properties, on the right click on the game, properties, go to general, and in the launch options there, type in this code MangoHud percentage command and percentage. Now all of these will be in the description below, so don't worry. Once you're done, you can start to play. And now you see at the top left, MangoHud is there. So now you can see my most professional gaming experience that you've never feel before. Let's show you how to configure MangoHud to add extra temperature to monitor. So first you go into the file explorer, go into home, and then go to view, turn on hidden files. Now put in the terminal this code. It will be the link in the description below as everything else. Then you'll see this, right click and extract it. Then select downloads and extract it there. Once you're done, go to downloads and copy it. You can use Ctrl+C to copy it, and then go to home.config, and here right click and create new folder. Now the MangoHud must be renamed to this. Make sure it's the same. M is capital, H is capital, and then you paste it by Ctrl+V, right click on it, rename it, remove example all of this that I removed, follow what I did. Now go inside and search for CPU temp, remove the hashtag in front. That's it. So if you want more, you can remove all the hashtags that you want to see on the MangoHud. So right now I'm doing CPU and GPU. Once done, let's test it out. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.